everyone, this is Christy. Today I'm going to show you my new haul from Inlovearts. This is a design team project, okay, and I received this set of dies, and this is very gorgeous. I already made a project and I show you in another video. It was a mini album, and you get the flowers, the dies to make this flower. Okay, is this one the single one? These are the leaves right here. Okay, and you have two dies for each one. Okay, one for the white piece and another one for the gold one, then for the big one as well. Okay, and this saying that says enjoy the little moments right here, it comes with a set, and also this word that says thank you, okay, for the card. And I'm going to show you the large die that comes, and it's this beautiful border. Okay, so now I'm going to show you another die, and here is another die set, and you receive these two beautiful doilies. Okay, they look like this, a big one and a small one, and you can cut the small one like this. See, look, it's very beautiful, and it cuts the center as well. Okay, you can make a shaker card, you can make a frame, or use them both like this. And here is my project. Look, I just folded the big one, okay, and it looks like this. See how beautiful. And I just put a flower and a butterfly on the side, and I made a pocket so you can save your tag, and you can use this one for a card, for a mini album, for a journal. See, it's a very nice way to use doilies. Okay, now let's see the next one. And here is the next set, and for this set you get 3 dies, and this one is like the back, okay, of this, so you can put it together and you have a different color inside, and this one goes on top, and you can give some dimension if you want. Okay, and this is the small one, it's just come one. Okay, so I'm going to show you my projects, and these are cards that I made. Okay, and look how beautiful, looks so gorgeous, this border, right? And yeah, I use this one. Okay, I cut in white, and then this one is the gold one, so I just put another color behind, and it looks super gorgeous. Okay, I just added a flower, and that's it. And I made a small one with this die, and it looks very nice too. For my next card, I use these 2 dies. Okay, this is a set of 2 dies, and it comes with this key and this lock, okay, with a heart shape. And I made this beautiful card, and as you can see, I just make like a shadow with another color, a brown color, so it looks like thick and looks like it has a shadow. And then I made this card using another die from Inlovearts, and it's this one right here. Okay, this one is sold separately, and you can put it behind, okay, as a background. And then I made this envelope, okay, and in this envelope I just put this little tag, and I printed key to my heart right here, so you can write a secret message or add a picture, something in the back, and put it inside the envelope, and then just send it like as a greeting card. Okay, and here is another die, and it says happy birthday. Okay, and it's like a border edge right here. You can put it in the center of your card or at the bottom, so I just play with my papers and I put it at the bottom. Okay, so you can choose any color on the top and put it as a border at the bottom, or put it as a belt on the center of your card. Okay, so super cute. See, you can put this one in different colors if you want, but this one was white and gold, so I just decorated like this. And the next die is this one. Look, it has flowers right here, and this one is the stem of these flowers, and it has a beautiful frame. Okay, you can put a picture, you can put a quote or something for a card, or use it for mini albums like frames. Okay, and I'm going to show you my card, and I made this card. I love working with white cards sometimes, so I really love the details of this one. I just put this gold color on top, and as you can see right here are the flowers, and I just put a little bit of gold glitter inside in the centers, and I added this delicate satin ribbon. And look, see, I just put a dimension right here, so this one can look like this, like hollows. And right here I just added this happy birthday from my stash. Okay, and it looks so super cute. See, very simple but elegant, right? And the next one is another frame, and this frame comes with double frame right here. See, one with holes and the other one straight, so you can play with different colors in there, and also has flowers on both sides. Okay, you can use it this way or you can use it this way. Okay, so I'm going to show you a card that I made using this, and look, see, I just cut in a different color. This is my background, this is part of the frame. Then right here I just cover this part with white, and this is from Inlovearts as well, and these are the flowers. And this is how the flowers look like. Okay, this die cuts just the outline, okay, just the outline. And what I did is I just added glitter, okay, on top of the background, so it can look like the petals of the flower. And I added these rhinestones. I put a little bit of color, green color, using my ink pads, and I made the leaves. Okay, and yeah, this is how it looks. It's a beautiful die. And here is the last die from Inlovearts, and it's this box, so you can make your favors. See, it's a small box, and this is my sample. Okay, for this box I just added this kind of belt on top, just to show you that you can make very nice favors with this. And this is the box inside. Okay, it looks like this. You can make it in any color, add your goodies, and then make the belt on top. Okay, so this is the box and how it looks. Okay, this is a beautiful box and a good size, and we just put it like this. Okay, and then close it like this, and then you can add the belt. Okay, and just put it inside, and you can make any embellishment on top. I just fussy cut some flowers from the paper that I use, and I just added this that says sing. And yeah, it looks very nice. You can maybe put the name of the person's birthday, or if it's a wedding, you can decorate in many ways. It's so super cute, right? I hope you get inspired and like all of my samples. If you do, please subscribe to my channel for more videos, and visit Inlovearts shop. All the links are going to be in the description box. Thank you very much for watching my videos, for your likes, your comments, and for subscribing to my channel. Have a blessed day, everyone. Bye.